In this video, we'll talk about chat templates. Chat templates are used for regular communications. They prevent you from writing the same messages from scratch repeatedly. A firm owner or any team member who has been given access rights to manage templates can create them. To create one, go to Templates, Firm Templates, and click the Chats tab. Let's click Create Template to see how it works. We are creating a message for all our new clients for this example. First, enter a name for the template. Select the team member's name on behalf of whom the message should be sent and add a subject line. This will appear as the name of the chat thread in the chats list. And finally, enter the message itself. To individualize the message, apply shortcodes to include, for example, the recipient's name, the account name, or the date. You can use different formatting, add links, and personalize the message. And this is not all. You could also set up sending automatic reminders to clients on unread chats or add client tasks to the chat templates. When you add tasks to a chat, they are conveniently displayed as to-do items with checkboxes. Once the client checks off all the to-dos, you will get an inbox plus notification. When you finish, click the Save and Exit button. If you want to change a chat template, click on the chat template name in the list. For example, we will modify this tax return template by adding shortcodes. When you are done, just click on Save. You can also delete chat templates. Click on the three dots icon to the far right of the template name, then select Delete. Then click Delete in the Delete Confirmation pop-up. Now that you know how to create chat templates, let's see how to send them. Click the New button at the top right corner and select Chat. Choose one or more clients. Select the chat template. Set up reminders and client tasks if needed. Then just click Create Chat, and that's it. Your chat message was sent. You could also send chats from the client's page. I can easily filter my new clients by clicking the Filter button. Go to Tags and choose New Client. Your new client accounts will then appear. To select all accounts, click the first checkbox or select the checkboxes next to the clients. Press on More Actions, Send Message. Select the template you want and click Create Chat. And that's it. Your chat has been sent.